Hey y'all, hey, it's Brittany718 and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can see weekly videos from me. Alrighty, so I just wanted to make a quick video. Lately I've been getting an influx of inquiries about giving people advice as to what they should do with their hair and what products they should use and things like that. And it's becoming a little overwhelming to try to reach out to everybody. So what I've done to ensure that I can give everybody the best assistance as possible, I'm offering online one-on-one coachings with me. So we can do this either via Skype, via Google Hangouts, some sort of video chat connection, and we'll schedule a time so we can sit down and I can address all your questions and concerns within that allotted time frame. It's something that I've been planning on doing for a little while now. I definitely wanted to reach out and let you guys all know. If you follow me on Instagram and Facebook, then you would have already seen a couple of posts that I made about this, but I want to come on here and give y'all that information as well. Feel free, if you are interested, to email me. My email's down below, but it's also Brittania718@gmail.com. And just reach out to me and we'll go ahead and schedule something and I'll be able to further assist you. Yeah, I just wanted to be able to give you guys a better service as to be able to help you out further, because a lot of your questions, they require me being able to see your hair. So at least with this, I'll be able to give you some insight as to what you should do and, you know, help you create a regimen or something for your hair. All right. What I'm not doing is doing like install consultations online. So please don't think that's what you're going to get. That's not what happened. That's not what's happening. Nope. It'll just be some regular coaching in regards to how to help you have a better experience with your locks and what you can do and any gripes or issues that you're having, and you know how I can be of assistance to help you. Okay. Be sure to thumbs up the video, share the video, subscribe if you're not, tell your mama and them I said to subscribe, and I'll see y'all soon. Later.